If you haven't already, please subscribe to most advanced, featured, and accurate channel quick podcast summaries. Chris Williamson sat down with Alain de Botton to explore the concept of inner voices and how they shape our experiences.
Alain began by explaining that our inner voices are often a reflection of the external voices we've internalized throughout our lives. He used the analogy of language to illustrate this point, suggesting that just as we learn a language by internalizing the words and grammar of those around us, we also learn an emotional language that influences how we think and feel. This emotional language is comprised of the syntax and vocabulary we use to understand and express our emotions. Alain noted that this language is often invisible, yet it plays a profound role in shaping our experiences and interactions. He emphasized that changing this language can be challenging, much like learning a new language, and requires patience and dedication.
Chris asked Alain about the relationship between language and emotions, and how having words to describe our feelings can help us better understand and navigate them.
He shared an example from his own life, where learning the word anxiety as a teenager helped him better understand and manage his emotions. The conversation turned to the idea that our inner voices are not always self-generated, but rather are influenced by external factors such as society, culture, and past experiences. Alain suggested that this can make it difficult to distinguish between our true selves and the voices that have been internalized. He proposed that one way to begin to separate out these different voices is through exercises such as sentence completion, where individuals can explore their thoughts and feelings without censorship.
Chris asked Alain about the concept of self-authorship and how we can begin to take ownership of our thoughts and feelings.
Alain emphasized the importance of editing and refining our inner voices, letting go of the parts that no longer serve us and embracing those that align with our values and aspirations. He noted that this process is an ongoing journey, one that requires patience, self-reflection, and a willingness to grow and evolve. Alain suggested that this process begins in childhood, where individuals are often more authentic and spontaneous, and continues throughout our lives as we navigate the complexities of society and culture. He emphasized that individuation is not about rejecting external influences entirely, but rather about finding a balance between our own unique perspectives and the world around us. If you want to listen to the complete summary, please subscribe to quick podcast summaries on Spotify and Apple Podcasts for less than the price of candy in most places, and you can save an average of 15 to 20 hours per week of your precious time. It's a great way to stay informed while saving time.